Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you multiple ways to send multiple files as a single attachment in email. Right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, the first option, this attach file option. Okay, click on it. Now, let's say you have a Word document, an Excel, or whatever. You can just basically hold Control on your keyboard and then click on one. Click on another as well. You can click on multiple right here if you want to. Now go ahead and click on open. It will be attached as one email. All right. So for example, these two right here, I'm going to click on both, click on open, and will be uploaded. But sometimes you'll have this error where it says there's a limit. Okay. So how do we fix that? You could either use Google Drive right here, click on it. So we'll be using your Google Drive's storage. So go ahead and upload the file to your Google Drive and then go to My Drive, select the files. All right. And sometimes if those are PDFs, Word, you could add it in as an attachment. Okay. If not, well, you just go ahead and click on add as a link. There you go. They can click on one and it will just open up with its corresponding app or website. Now, the other option is just by simply creating a compressed file. Let's say these two. You can select them all, right click, and then compress to a zip file. There you go. You can just go ahead and rename this one attachments. Just for example, now go ahead and go back to email, message right here, click on attach files, desktop, and here we have the attachments as zip. Click on open, and here we have it. Now all you got to do is just add in the recipient's subject and the body, and after that you're good to go. That is how you send multiple files in a single attachment in email. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.